Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add an application to exclusions in Kaspersky AntiVirus. Open Kaspersky AntiVirus. Click Settings. Click Additional. Click Treats and Exclusions. Click Specify Trusted Applications. Click Add. Browse to add application to exclusions. Click Add. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.